I recently came across this funny video where ChatGPT fails to draw a circle, but that's because the prompt engineer wasn't using ChatGPT's true love language, code. When you ask ChatGPT to draw a circle using SVG code, it does it right away. And in case you didn't already know, SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics and includes simple shapes such as circles and rectangles, but also a particularly powerful element called path. And it's with path that ChatGPT can draw scrumptious looking spaghetti and meatballs, chicken nuggets, thumbs up icons, which you should totally click right now, just saying, faces, and even Pickle Rick from Rick and Morty. SVGs can also be animated. Check out this weird portrayal of humans walking by ChatGPT, as well as this other fun little animation that literally made me want to call my FBI agent, pack up my bags, and leave town. But I realized that I just left some styles in another CSS file. Whoops! I'm excited for when ChatGPT 4 gets released to the public, as I'd like to retry out this experiment. I found it weird that ChatGPT 3.5 was able to accurately portray the essence of Ronald McDonald, but didn't have the correct version of a peace sign in SVG form. And with that, I'll leave you with the cutest rendition of a New York City street rat I have ever seen in my life. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.